It's time for the moment you've been waiting for.
I have Crocs. I actually bought them because I really like the fact that I am 5'9" in Crocs. 5'9" with Crocs. Crocs on, Crocs off. That's the stupidest reason.
它可以让我显得很高挑 ，just match my vibes.
Crocs say that they're sustainable, but that only applies to certain parts of their supply chain. So I'm going to explain to you the good and the bad. I even got the gibbets. Right, so first of all, Crocs are just plastic. They're not biodegradable, which I found out is possible with some shoes. Check out the directory. You can bury some shoes in the soil at their end of life. Let's say you want to get rid of your Crocs, but you don't want them to end up in landfills. Sorry.
I only own one pair and I wear these almost every day and they're absolutely disgusting.
Crocs actually do have a take back program. It's called Old Crocs, New Life, and it lets you drop off your old Crocs in stores across the US and also in Europe. So remember that before you toss them. I feel so bad, sorry Tree. What happens with your old Crocs is that Crocs then sort them out, and if the shoes are still wearable, then Crocs send them to a charity called Souls for Souls. Now, if your Crocs are too worn out, then they're recycled into new Crocs products or repurposed into playground surfaces, insulation, mats. All of this is good. Crocs have given us an end-of-life solution for their product, which every single brand should be doing. But I'll also give you the full picture. Crocs are owned by BlackRock.
BlackRock is taking over the world and no one is stopping them.
And other institutional investors. Their priority isn't to save the planet at all. Their first loyalty goes towards their shareholders, goes towards their investors.
BlackRock. BlackRock is the subject of a lot of speculation online.
There is a robot that controls more wealth than any country on earth.
Really, the commander-in-chief is Larry Fink.
They have stock in 95% of Fortune 500 companies, and they've been hired by governments across the world to help manage financial crises and even just conduct normal operations. That means that pretty much any time you interact with the economy, working, buying stuff, driving a car, going to the bank, anything, you're interacting with BlackRock.
And believe that Crocs backtracked on their climate promise. How difficult can it be for a one design, simple shoe to stick to a climate promise? Because they acquired a company called Hey Dude, and after that, their emissions jumped by 45%. They prioritized expansion over lowering their emissions. Instead of sticking to their net zero 2030 goal, they pushed it by 10 years to 2040. Right now, Crocs have unrealistic sustainability promises, like to halve the emission of Crocs by 2030, but that number currently is only at 2.2%. I fell for the clean, green appearance of Crocs, and if you're like me, just know that this is a company that hasn't made a serious commitment to sustainability. From their ownership to the backtracking to the conflicting business moves, the unachievable goals. I just think that Crocs appear to be green so that they can keep selling 100 million pairs of these plastic shoes every year. And no matter how you look at it, a plastic shoe will never be sustainable anyway, ever.